Okay, we're using the Equipter here to minimize the debris tear off of the roof being scattered everywhere around the house. You can see here that they've got a hydraulic system to secure the machine, and they have a knit adapter so you can put OSB board, kind of create a chute to funnel the material down into the Equipter. And so we're going to give it a shot, hopefully it'll work out. The other thing is we have an operator that does this every day, that's operating the machine for us. And of course we're renting the machine and the operator for probably 2 days on a roof this big.